How prepared are you for a manufacturing safety audit? This guide explores essential preparation tips, best practices, and top software recommendations. Discover how audits enhance safety and efficiency in your workplace. Manufacturing environments are inherently risky. Workers operate machinery, manage materials, and execute rapid processes. Even minor oversights can result in significant accidents. Regular audits are crucial for identifying hidden dangers and ensuring compliance with safety laws. They foster a safety culture, help reduce costs, and prevent injuries through proactive measures. Begin by defining the scope of your audit, whether it's machines, worker actions, or emergency plans. Review past records to spot recurring issues and create a comprehensive checklist. Train your team to ensure they understand the audit's goals. Schedule audits during active work hours for realistic assessments. These steps ensure a thorough and effective audit. Follow a structured process, moving through each area systematically. Engage with workers by observing and asking questions, as they often provide valuable insights. Document all findings meticulously with notes, photos, and videos. After the audit, prioritize risks and address the most critical issues immediately. Regularly track progress to ensure all improvements are implemented. Despite their benefits, audits can face challenges like resistance to change from workers. Outdated procedures may not address current risks effectively. Missing documentation can hinder pattern recognition. Limited time can rush audits, reducing their thoroughness. Without action tracking, identified issues may remain unresolved, undermining the audit's purpose. eAuditor transforms traditional audits with a smart digital system. It reduces audit time significantly while enhancing issue resolution speed. Real-time data collection and custom checklists streamline the process. Instant reports and action tracking ensure quick decision-making and issue resolution. Even without internet, audits can be completed offline, syncing data later. Is mobile-friendly, allowing audits from any device, anywhere on the floor. Cloud storage ensures data is securely stored and accessible anytime. Real-time teamwork enables instant collaboration across locations. Scalable tools grow with your business, from small shops to large facilities. Manufacturing safety audits are simplified with clear steps, strong habits, and the right tools. eAuditor helps create a safer workplace while saving time and effort. Embrace digital, data-driven audits for smarter safety management.